Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool for research paper writing. So here in this tool, there are different types of AI templates available for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to concentrate on literature review templates. So how to write literature review for just a conference paper, how to write literature review for a journal paper, and how to write a literature review for a review paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore the different AI templates, and let us see how it will work out for our research paper writing. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that LMS Research Support AI tool. So in this AI tool, you will be having different types of templates, that is LMS AI Ultimate Plan templates. So these are the different plan templates are available here: summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, generate MATLAB code, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF text, chatbot, plagiarism reducer, etc. So these are the different AI templates available in this AI tool. So in this video, we are going to concentrate on only literature review templates. There are 5 different literature review templates are available in this AI tool. So the first one will be literature review. So just to click on this literature review, so it leads to a dashboard like this here. So this is the literature review template. The specialty of this literature review template is that it will make an instant literature review. So the only thing what you have to do is just to copy and paste the references here. That references will be converted into literature review. So in order to do so, I am going to copy 5 references. So copy that references. So go to that literature review template and paste here. So and then click on literature review. So in order to make a instant literature review, especially when you are writing a conference paper, so this literature review template will be very useful for you. So because this literature review give an instant output, so thereby you can use it instantly for your that is research paper or any conference paper. So here you can see that. So the first references 𝐬𝐬 2012 presented a study on the topology derivation of non-isolated 3-port converter. So the main finding of the study was the development of a method to derive topology of 3-port converters efficiently, and then you will be given limitations. So like that, for every references the perfect literature review will be generated. So this type of template will be very useful in order to make a literature review on a conference paper. So you can make use of this option. So this is the first AI template. So next one is that so you can see that reference to content. So this is also an instant literature review template. So just to click on this reference to content template. So it will lead to a dashboard like this here. This is the reference to content template. So in this reference to content template, what you can do is so you can copy and paste the same references, 5 references. So and then you can give whatever the style you want to cite that particular references. For example, I am going to give it as APA style. So and then click generate content. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see that so the first literature review will be taken in consideration. So the important thing in this template is that all the references must be interconnected each other. So thereby it will generate a perfect literature review. So this will be very helpful for you to copy and paste it in your literature review part. So this is also an instant literature review. So just by giving references, so you can get a perfect literature review for that research paper. So these 2 templates, that is literature review and detailed literature review, literature review and reference to content template. So both these templates will be very useful for you to make literature review for a conference paper. So and an instant literature review. So this is all about these 2 important things, that is literature review and reference to content. So the next important thing is that detailed literature review. So in this click on just a detailed literature review. So here you can see that this detailed literature review. So in this detailed literature review, you will be asking this some of the important details related with that reference paper. So first you have to add the title of the paper, an abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, and then conclusion of the paper. So in order to do so, I have taken some open access paper. So copy this paper title. So copy and you can paste the title in this particular that is literature review template. So after that you have to add abstract. So you can copy this abstract. So copy and paste in the abstract part of that particular paper. So next, add the introduction part. So go to that, add the introduction part of the paper. So copy, and you can add the introduction part. So after that, conclusion of the paper. So go again, copy the conclusion of the paper. So here, so this is the conclusion. Copy and paste here. So after that, after giving all the constraints needed by this template, so you can give a literature review. So in this template, you have given the title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, conclusion of the paper. From that, so that AI will analyze the contents better, and it will generate a detailed literature review. So first it will give the summary of the paper, and also it will give the main findings of the paper, and then limitations associated with that paper. So this is how you can make a detailed literature review. This template will be very useful for you to make a perfect journal papers. So whenever you are making a perfect journal paper in a reputed journal, so you can use this template. So thereby the output of, because we are giving the input from our reference paper. So from that reference paper only, it will analyze the content of the reference paper, and then it will only generate a literature review. So this will be a detailed literature review, so where you can get the perfect literature review for your journal or research paper writing. So this is how you can use this detailed literature review template. So next, moving on to our next template. So that is a template called chat with paper. So this templates are useful for you to make a review paper writing. So whenever you are writing a review paper, so you have to that is analyze the reference paper bits and pieces and take whatever the content you want from that review paper. So in order to do so, what you can do is, so you can copy and paste the content and ask any questions you want. For example, I am going to copy and paste the content here. So this is the conclusion of the paper. So from that conclusion, what you can do is, you can ask any questions you want. From the conclusion, please provide what are the future developments can be made in this work for further research. So like that, you can ask any questions you want. So all you have to need is that, so you have to copy and paste the content from the reference paper and ask any questions you want. So here you can see future developments or further research can be include specific cases, studies and comparative analysis. That is, conduct a specific case studies and comparative analysis with the actual operation of data to verify the practical applications. So and then second one will be the analysis and tracking systems. Rigorously analyzing the economic feasibility, operational cost and environmental impacts of tracking systems in solar PV installation to understand the potential benefits and drawbacks. Next one is that, so these are the two important future developments can be made in this paper. So like that, it is generated. So this will be very helpful for you to make a review paper. So like that, you can make use of this AI template for review paper writing. So next one is that, so here you can see that chat with the PDF text. So just click on this chat with PDF text. So in this, what you can do is, you can upload the paper and you can get the page wise analysis of the paper. So in order to do so, so just click on this chat with PDF template. So here you will be asked to choose the PDF. So in this, I am going to select the PDF file to be analyzed. So I am going to select this PDF file and then click on upload. So automatically the page wise content of the paper will be generated. So here this has 10 pages. So for example, if you click on 6th page, automatically this content in the 6th page will be generated here. So for example, if you want the 3rd page, so the 3rd page content will be generated here. So next is 2nd page. So I am going to click on 2nd page. So from that, what I am going to do is, I am going to copy this and I am going to paste the content here. So after that, you can ask any questions you want. Summarize the content, explain the content, inference from the content, method used in the content. For example, if you are using this questions, for example, inference from the content. So like that you can give inference from the content. So automatically it will analyze that particular page and it will give a better inference, that is what are the important summarized points to be taken in that particular paper. So like that you can make a page wise analysis of the paper using this chat with PDF templates. So this chat with paper and chat with PDF templates both will be very useful for you to make review paper writing. So these are the different AI templates available, especially for literature review. So here we have discussed about 5 different literature review templates. The first 2 will be very useful for you to make a literature review for your conference paper. So the next is third one, detailed literature review, the perfect literature review tool for your research paper writing. So the next fourth one and fifth one, that is chat with PDF and chat with PDF text, will be very useful for you to make a review paper writing. So this is how you can use this AI literature review writing templates wisely to make your research paper writing very simple and easy. So apart from this, you will be having services, AI content removal services also available in this AI tool. So you can make use of this option also. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.